We'll get started on our mats today in child's pose. So find your way into a tabletop position. Take the knees wider apart, big toes come together, heels drop away. Extend your hips back over your heels. Let your heart melt down as your arms reach forward. Resting your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here. Walk both hands off to the right of your mat, lengthening through the left fingertips, gently pressing down through the left hip. Breathe deeply into the left ribs. Walk your hands through center, then take them off to the left side of the mat, lengthening through the right side this time, gently pressing through the right hip. Sending your breath into the right side of the rib cage. Walk your hands back to center, get one more good stretch here, and then carefully lift your hips, finding your way into a tabletop position. We'll start to move through cat and cow, softening into the elbows. Drop your belly as you breathe in. Lift your heart, lift your hips. Think about dropping your shoulder blades down your back. Exhale, scoop the belly round your spine, drop your chin to your chest. Again, inhale to lift up. Exhale as you round back. Take a few more here, following your breath. And then we'll start to make this a little bit bigger, circling through the entire torso. So take a breath in, open through the heart. Now start to press your ribs to the right. Circle it up into cat pose. Circle your ribs to the left and then drop back down into cow. Jump roping through the spine, starting to move the spine in more directions. Maybe finding spots that need a little more attention. Maybe you hang out there and breathe into them. Taking your time. Pause and change directions. Make your way back to center, lengthen through the crown of the head all the way back through the tailbone. Now tuck your right toes under and extend your leg back. Pause here, take a moment to press through the heel, stretching the calf. Maybe take some time to rock forward and back. The next time you shift forward, lift the right leg up, lift it over, and let it land to the left. So off of the mat, press through the heel. And as you do so, turn your shoulders to the left so you're looking back at the right heel. Getting a nice stretch for the side of the body, maybe getting a stretch into the left hip. And then unwind, drop the right knee down, tuck your left toes under, extend the leg back. Pause here, stretch through the calf, or start to shift your toes forward and back. The next time you come forward, lift the left leg up, arc it over to the right, tapping the toes down. Press through the left heel, turn your shoulders to the right, look back to the heel. Breathe here. And then start to release. Lower the left knee down beside the right. From here, tuck all 10 toes under, lift the knees, lift the hips, come back to downward dog. If the hamstrings are feeling tight, keep a generous bend into the knees. Maybe take some time to alternate, dropping down one heel and then the other. If you're moving your feet, come back to stillness. Keep the knees soft. Let's lift the heels, look forward between your hands. Slowly travel to the front of your mat, finding your way into a forward fold. Knees are still bent. Let the upper body be heavy. Relax through the head, relax through the neck. And then pushing down through the feet, slowly roll up to stand, one vertebrae at a time. Head comes up last. Once you get there, roll the shoulders back a few times. And then you can step your feet a little bit wider apart here just to give yourself a broader base for support. Take your right hand to your hip, sweep the left arm up, side bend to the right. Growing tall from the left fingertips, and then pressing down through the outer edge of the left foot. Now start to rotate your left shoulder open, circle the arm back, down and in front, taking slow, large circles. Pause and switch. You'll come back to your side stretch and then lengthen through your spine. Left hand to hip, right arm reaches up, side bend to the left. Hold here. Start to rotate the right shoulder open. Begin to circle the arm back and in front. Pause and change directions. You'll come back to your side stretch and then come all the way up. Step your feet together once again so they're about hip width apart. Take a deep inhale, reach the arms up. As you exhale, cactus the arms, hug your shoulder blades together, soften your knees, and come into your forward fold. Knees are still bent. As you breathe in, lift up halfway, fingertips to shins or even to the thighs. Roll your shoulders back, tailbone reaches behind you. Exhale, forward fold. Press into the feet, come up with a long spine. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Repeat, bend the knees, come all the way into your forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway, long spine. Exhale, fold, push through the feet, come up, reach the arms overhead. One more here. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart, sink into the knees, fold forward. Halfway lift, breathe in. Exhale, fold from here, bend the knees, bring the fingertips down, step the left leg back, gently lower the left knee, finding a low lunge. Walk your hands up to the thighs, stack your shoulders right above your hips. Your back toes can be untucked or tucked, whatever feels more comfortable for you. And we're just going to get some gentle movement here to start to wake up the hips. Slide your hands back to your hips, or you can keep them on your thighs. Crown of the head reaches up. Now start to shift your hips forward 2 inches and then push into the ground to shift back. Go for 2. Just a little movement here. 3, 4, 2 more. Hold this next one. Take your left arm straight up. Draw the belly in. Little side bend to the right. As you come back up, take your left hand to the mat. Maybe walk your left knee back another step or 2. Open the right arm as you twist. Release the hand down. Step your right knee back beside your left and switch. Left foot comes forward. Left foot between the hands. Stack your knee right above the ankle. Back toes can be tucked or untucked. Again, just personal preference. And then lift your torso. Bring your hands to your thigh. Option to keep them here or slide your hands back to your hips. Reaching up through the crown of the head, start to shift your hips forward 2 inches and then actively push the ground away as you shift back. Again, for 2, 3, 4, 2 more here. Hold this last one. Take the right arm up, little side bend to the left. Release, take the right hand down to the mat. Maybe lengthen the right leg back. Open the left arm as you twist. Release, unwind. Step your left knee back beside the right and then drop your hips to one side so that you can swing the legs in front of you. Legs are parallel, feet are flat on the floor. Adjust your feet and your legs so that you can sit up comfortably through the spine, lengthening from the tailbone all the way up through the crown of the head, and then hold on to your knees. From here, start to tuck your hips under, roll back through the spine, making a C shape with your spine, and then use the strength of your arms to pull yourself up. Crown of the head lengthens. Do that a few more times. Draw the belly button in, tuck the hips under, roll back about halfway, and then bring yourself back up. Head lengthens up. Let's go for 3. Inhale as you lift. Exhale 2. Last one here. Lift up. Good. Keep your left leg curled in. Maybe bring it in closer. Extend your right leg long. Left hand behind you. Wrap your right arm around your left leg. Breathe in. Grow tall through your spine. Exhale. Maybe twist, turning your head to the left. Draw the right toes back. Press through the heel. Carefully unwind and switch. Right leg curls in. Left leg goes long. Right hand behind you, wrap your arm around the leg. Flex through the left foot. Inhale to grow tall. Exhale, twist to the right. Start to unwind, hug the left leg in, and make your way to a comfortable seat. Sitting tall through your spine, we'll finish with one deep breath in together. Inhale, sweep your arms out to the sides, all the way up. Exhale all the way out. We'll do that one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Roll your shoulders back and relax. And that is it for today. Great job. We'll see you next time.